All right. Thank you everyone for joining today. It is pleasure to have every one of you. As we are approaching to end of Windows 11 and Windows 10, Windows 10 end of life is approaching very quickly, more than it has been anticipated. We thought that we'll get some extensions, but it is not there. The deadline stays October 14th. That is 33 days from now. All those who have already moved to Windows 11, many congratulations. Those who haven't, we will take you through how easy it is to move to Windows 11. Especially, the misconception which was there in the market that moving to Windows 10 to Windows 11 is altogether a change of platform, which is not at all true. We would have found it that it can be achieved like a normal upgrade also. If your devices are capable, the capability is there, these devices can be upgraded, and we'll talk about it, how easily you can upgrade your eligible devices to Windows 11. So what I'll just round it off on agenda so that we all are clear. So Windows 10 end of support. I'll just let you know the graph, and we will discuss few about things about it. Then on new era, AI era with Copilot plus PC, that is, what the future look like, why Windows 11 is so important when we talk about AI era, and what we are going to gain out of it, and how the new devices, if you are planning your journey for AI, Copilot plus PCs, how those can fit into your environment. Then we'll talk about how we can deploy. We will discuss about various tools which can help you in planning, preparing, and deploying your devices. And then we will talk about how your device partner can help you with Windows 11. Here in this case, it would be CDW. And then we can, take up your questions and answers at the end. Someone will keep track of the chats. We will take all the question and answers at the end of the session. Let me know if there are any, critical questions. We can take them up as and when they are coming also, but mostly we would be taking it by the end of. So what we call is support is ending in 33 days. It has been over 2 years now, where we started our journey, started educating our customers, thinking that all of us would be able to move by October 14, 2025. And uh, I would say that there, if you haven't moved your operating system to Windows 11, and your technical support or your tech support or your IT team is still waiting, I would say that we are at a higher risk because it is going to bring lots of security imbalances. What we have seen is that after the end of Windows 10, which means that it will stop providing any security updates and technical support on for the operating system. So some organizations want to wait till the last moment to upgrade, and actually we are at the last moment. Uh, but it has been seen that if you want to upgrade it, it is really hassle free. You don't have to worry too much about it, and as our presentation goes by, you will see how easy it was, and as we break our myths that it is a platform change, actually, which is not. Currently all our Windows 10 devices can easily be migrated to Windows 11. And uh, I would say not only new Windows 11 devices are optimized for compatibility, but there are also some great tools that support to help you get started. So we started this journey. Windows 11 was launched somewhere in 2021, and ever since we have been sending some updates, and in 14th October 2024 was when only 1 year was left. And today, as we start our upgrades, we are very near to almost only 1 month, which is left. If you can see that today start Windows 11 upgrade, if you see we have already passed even the mid-size organizations. I'm not even talking about the large organizations. Even the mid-size organizations have limited time left because we presume that it would take approximately an year if a complete migration is planned in a right way. But if you haven't started yet, probably we can give you quick tips which can help you in moving your devices from Windows 10 to Windows 11. Or if your devices are not eligible, you would like to go the other way. So uh, typical mic, I would say that after end of sale, no support you are going to get, and in that case, it would be uh, you would be much more prone to cyber risks, threats, and all those things. I would say that once the support ends, your security features updates would be stopping. Your organization would be at a bigger risk, and uh, and it has been proven that outdated technologies will actually decrease the productivity of every employee, and it brings lots of dissatisfaction also. Let's see how we can take advantage of what we are talking about. According to commission study by Forrester Consulting, organizations that upgraded to Windows 11 Pro devices experienced significant improvements. What were those improvements? Those includes 15% or increase in end user productivity uh, through real work tasks, and up to 42% of average faster completion of demanding workloads. So what you see on the right corner, 42% of the faster completion, which is basically driven from the analysis that as your uh, as your employees were much more faster with the new devices with Windows 11, they were much more efficient, uh, and all the workloads were performed in much more better way. So modern hardware performance and increased security are also key benefits, with up to 50% faster performance compared to 3+ year old PCs, and a 70% reduction in attack surface, resulting in 58% of fewer security incidents. So you can imagine how much difference it is going to make when 70% of the attacks are detected right at the surface. And and all those attacks are well before uh, analyzed, and which will help you in dropping all the security incidents which can occur. Almost 58% is reported to be dropped, which is quite a huge number. And additionally, end user satisfaction saw a notable boost with 50% faster workflows and collaborations, and a 61% longer battery life on average. So your employees who are always with the customer or not in the office, are always traveling, are visiting customers, or be whatever reasons, they can just forget their charger at the home, and they're with Windows 11 or your new AI devices. These devices can last for a whole day, and your battery still be there when you reach home. So with all that, I would like to say that the new era, AI era, has begun, which is talking about most intelligent and fast Windows PCs ever. Uh, Copilot plus PC is one of those advantages, which brings all that advantages to you. So Copilot PC is a game changer. In whatever way you look at it, it is quite a game changer. They have powerful and can handle tough workloads, can handware backend, AI, and security innovations that enable new efficiencies and help safeguard your mission critical data. The new category of devices with come with AI built in and optimized by an NPU. And there are also secured core PCs that come with the Microsoft Pluton security processors for the highest level of Windows security. So this type of we were talking about efficiencies and all those, and we always talk about Mac. And these are the PCs which are much more faster, energetic, and efficient than your Mac PCs also. So these, if you haven't used it, I would say if you want to have demos or any of those sources, please do reach out to your account managers. We would be more than happy to give you certain demo devices so that you can have hands-on onto these devices and see what difference it would make. I'll just touch base on few of the points which were there in my mind. These PCs can help you find important info faster, get projects done quicker, and help keep your data safe. All you can do, innovate, solve problems, and make bigger impact in your business. If you are customer oriented, uh, you can do all your analysis beforehand. You can bring up charts, get the analytics of the complete data within few minutes, and go with secured and better approach to your customer with an intelligent data analytics, so that all those things are comes with Copilot Plus PC. So there are a few other uh, amazing advantages. One of those is, as I told you, that the battery life is 22 hours on video and 50 hours browsing. So your PC can work all throughout the day without even recharging. The NPUs which are there, and those are calculated with TOPS. Uh, Trillions operations per unit, so per second. So which means that it is almost 47% faster than your NPUs with your NPUs. So most powerful and efficient, it means that your performance is much more powerful on Windows PC. Now, coming to Windows 11 Pro devices, which offer incredible value and core set features and capabilities and accommodate business success. If you take a look at a few of the features included here, you will see why they are significantly faster than Windows 10 devices. They are more secure with layer of security out of the box, and they have a host of great features for productivity. And of course, they are all easy to use, deploy, and manage. If to Let me give you a brief on, hardware and performances. Let's say you have been using your CPU, GPUs, and 40 plus tops NPUs. Now, with all these things built into Copilot Plus PC, you imagine if every the load which is required by processor is is keeping your GPUs free, then what it means is the PC can do many more things. All your AI applications, if it runs on NPU, those everything becomes much more faster. Coming to your security features, which means your uh, PC protection, your Pluton, your Windows Hello, and enhanced sign in by default. So all these security features make it almost a non-breakable PC from any of the breaches. And it is AI ready. All your Windows Copilot supports next AI innovations. All your AI can run better with this. So uh, this will help you into going into your uh, industry, which is leading by AI. So industries worldwide rely on Windows to innovate, solve problem, help block cyber threats, and achieve more with less time, efforts, and cost. When you come on a Windows 11 Pro device, you get the latest Windows and security features delivered straight to your desktop, and you can manage and develop Windows 11 Pro almost anywhere. So all your cybersecurity, your threats are taken care of. Uh, how Copilot can PC can help you accelerate your business? Well, let's discuss that. How that can be done. It is huge innovation which has came up, and Copilot plus PC is the game changer. Now, all the OEMs have already launched their AI PCs, and you will see all the AI built-in features into it, which is Copilot plus PC or Copilot features built into your devices. And I will discuss a little bit about that also. Uh, which means that with fewer clicks, you can do more. It means that Microsoft Copilot, your personal AI assistant, for example, you can quickly find relevant content, summarize long documents, and create a refined content. So you don't need to, think about long hours how you have to draft your mail. With Copilot, it is easy. If you have long documents, they can summarize it. If you have just with few clicks, you would be able to get into your or right onto your screen without even much of the without the issues. You can also increase in insight and efficiency while shielding business information. If you can use Copilot while signed into work account with Microsoft Entra ID, you will benefit from enterprise data protection for an additional layer of protection. So it is totally up to you how you want to use it. You can use it on cloud, you can use it on PC, but for PC, it becomes very efficient. It is right on your desktop, and it will keep on analyzing your behavior and start giving you suggestions and prompts according to your usages. So if you start using it, you will have much more insight into it. Your organization will become much more efficient. So with enterprise data protection, your Copilot experience and data can be protected by the same controls, security policies, and safeguard available in your corporate Microsoft 365 environment. Prompts and responses and processed within your Microsoft 365 tenant and logged and available for audit. So it means that everything is secured into your as per your policies. Nothing moves. So your data is not used to train uh, foundationals of AI models. So it would be totally assigned for your own use. It won't be shared with anyone, and it would be for your own organization's use. And tomorrow you can create your own agents, use those that data analytics, how you want to keep or how it can benefit your organization. So I would say that with Windows 11, you are in secured hands. Whether you choose Windows 11 or Copilot plus PC, Windows 11 Pro devices have already been tried and tested and provided layer of hardware-backed protection by default. So Microsoft continues to strengthen Windows 11 security to help you guard against the latest threats to safeguard sensitivity business information. So, as we have discussed earlier, almost 58% drop in security incidents with Windows 11 Pro devices. And how? Because when all these are layered with the tools which we have discussed, your Windows Hello, your Pluton, Microsoft Pluton, and all those help in stopping all those breaches which were there. So it means that you can support your employees securely, you can shield your business, and you can still stay ahead of your any of the threats. So Intune endpoint privilege management, that is token protection, and Windows Hello enhanced sign-in sessions are just a few latest feature you can get with a new Windows 11 devices to help securely support your workforce. And even malware safeguards. I would say that mission critical apps, protections with App Controller for Business, and protected print mode offers proactive protection against evolving threats. So all your questions on security has been addressed with Windows 11. Now, Now let's see how we can, supercharge insights and efficiencies, how we can achieve that. Uh, so it means that features like Microsoft Copilot, AI assistant that helps you find right answers, create high quality content, and simplify your workloads. That's on top of many other productivity features and a big jump to in performance. So all your performances would suddenly be on top notch. Your employees will have much more time. They can do the they would be more efficient, and they can get to do the things in much more quicker way. So it means that your projects on the demanding workloads and for example designing a project design projects or any of those sorts would be 42% faster on average compared to Windows 10 devices. So whatever you used to complete on Windows 10 with Windows 11, it is almost 42% what you can get. Let's take a closer look. What does it mean? That your workplace can experience unprecedented productivity with features that help save valuable time, reveal insights, and enable their best work with AI assistance that cuts the complexity and noise to focus on the things that matter. So you don't have to worry about anything else. Just focus on what you are required to be done. So you don't have to collate data from 10 different things. This would help you, these tools can help you in generating the results in quicker way because you are focusing, you are getting right on your in front of your screen what is required for you. So Microsoft Copilot AI-powered recommendations, snaps, layouts, desktop, etc., can significantly help. So your things becomes very quickly. So enable everyone to make bigger impact by leveraging the extensive accessibility and AI-powered experiences like uh, voice access and typing the live captions. So, like you are giving the prompts, even with your voice captions, you would be able to get the same results what you are looking in for. So, and Windows offered comprehensive accessibility capabilities with features like narrator and voice typing. Plus, it can also enhance productivity with Windows Remote Desktop that enables remote troubleshooting. So everything is helping you to be more efficient, all your employees. It's easy to stay in the flow and productive with seamless workflows that enable you to work seamlessly across apps, data, and the cloud. For example, Windows 11 Pro offers seamless redocking. So when you plug your Windows 11 devices into an external monitor, your open applications and snap groups will be right where you left them. So it means that the features, you don't have to again go and uh, figure it out what you were searching, where you were. It would be right in front of you when you open your screen, so that you can start right from there where you have stopped the session. Similarly, Microsoft offers devices to elevate the potential of everyone in your team, from ultra slim laptop to powerful workstations. So all the categories are taken care of, be it your travel employees, or be it your power user, or be it your everyday user, or be it your office user. All of them, there is a huge wide range of capability which is there. And what it means is that it will increased malware resistance without a performance hit. You your performance is not impacted at all, but your security is taken care of. Any malware, they are resistant to malware. Uh, and then with the support of your uh, for pen, ink, touch, and voice for more natural writing and drawing experiences. Similarly, you have integrated high quality mics and displays to look for sound at their best. Better power management and recommendations that can reduce emissions and improve your battery life, such as Windows Carbon Aware updates to take advantage of renewable energy sources. So it will give you overall, as we say, the most intelligent PCs, even if they are taking care of the environment, and you can see what emissions and how you can get control of it. and even the speeds, as we talked about it multiple times, they are much more faster, 42% faster on an average. Uh, Now let's go and talk about how you can deploy Windows 11 to your devices. First and foremost point, which is the myth that how you can move from Windows 10 to Windows 11. I would like to bring to your notice that uh, almost 99.7% of your apps are compatible who are running on Windows 10 are compatible on Windows 11. So if you haven't started your journey yet, I would urge that you just start deploying it. We will discuss that, how you can plan it, how you can prepare it, how you can deploy it. So for planning stage, I would say you need to assess your tools and infrastructure and plan your rollout. How you can prepare is check for compatibility. Most of the devices on Windows 10 apps should run smoothly. And you can test critical applications and policies using Microsoft Intune. Uh, I presume lots of organizations are now today moving to modern deployment, and they use Intune as their MDM. And if you haven't started using it, just check with your licensing team. I lots of customer When I go through these discussions with my customers, lots of my customers are already buying licenses in which Intune is included. And if Intune is included and you are not using its modern management, modern deployment, modern security, any of these features, then it seems you are not doing justice to the money what you are paying. Let us know if you are keen on that. We would love to take up the discussion, and we can help you in your journey uh, uh, to implementation of Intune into your environment. And if you are using Intune, this will become just a few clicks, and you would be able to upgrade your existing Windows 10 devices. It will give you complete analysis. We'll discuss in few slides that how Intune can help you in moving your Windows 10 devices, upgrading your Windows 10 devices to Windows 11, and then you go ahead and deploy with consider pilot deployment and adjust your process as needed. Uh, let's say how we can check on the hardware eligibility. As one of the first planning steps for upgrading to Windows 11, we highly recommend to start from accessing existing devices readiness. So first and foremost is let's check if your devices are ready. Going through this assessment, you will create clear understanding which of the existing devices are meeting Windows 10, Windows 11 hardware requirements, and are therefore eligible for upgrade, and also which devices cannot be upgraded and would need to be replaced in order to get Windows 11. This information will be valuable to complete the full plan of Windows 11 migration. So now let's take a quick look how we can achieve that. So, it is easiest way to complete the assessment using PC Health Check or Endpoint Analytics by Intune. As I have mentioned on the right-hand side, your PC Health Check, if you're not having managed devices, if your device is not centrally managed and you have just added your fleet by adding one device or two device by 10 devices, and those are still not centrally managed, then PC Health Check is one of the ways how you can achieve it. But it is a cumbersome step. It will take little more time. Whereas Intune is centrally managed devices, and you can achieve it with Intune or with any of the other tools which you are already using that can also help you in it. Okay, let's see how we can do it. Uh, what you can do is you can use the PC Health Check app and check the devices if they are eligible for Windows 11. And I've just put in the screenshots for how you can take it step by step. So if you do not have PC Health Check app, you can go ahead and download it from the Microsoft website with the name PC Health Check Setup. and from there you download that app and you load it into your device. And once you do that, once it comes onto your screen, you install it, and then once you finish, that installer would be available in your device, as we can see over here. Then you open the PC Health Check app, and then you would be able to check, go to compatibility, click on Windows 11 compatibility, check now, and it will give you a brief about where do you land. This is how your result would reflect. Green would mean that your device is ready, and you don't need anything extra. You can straight away upgrade your Windows 10 device to Windows 11. And I will discuss the few of those steps, how you can upgrade to Windows 10 to Windows 11. I'll give you those steps also. And similarly, if it is yellow, it means that uh, PC doesn't currently meet the Windows 11 system requirements. It might require certain upgrades, be it TPM 2.0 or RAM or anything of that sort. If you upgrade that, you would be able to uh, move to Windows 11, or you can upgrade it to Windows 11. And similarly, if it is red, and it clearly means that there is no upgrade, this PC cannot be upgraded. It is much more outdated, and uh, and you need to go for refreshing those devices. And similarly, you can for whatever the devices where upgrade is required, you can upgrade them. Wherever the devices require replacement, you can replace those devices. Now, second way of doing is using Intune in endpoint analytics. How it is helpful is that your devices are managed, if your devices are managed centrally through endpoint managed solutions, particularly with Intune, this will give a very hands-on. It you can just treat it as a hands-on training for you, and it will help you in achieving that one. So using endpoint analytics in Intune, the Windows metric provides Windows 11 hardware readiness insight, complete readiness insight it will give you uh, for devices that are enrolled via Intune co-management or configuration management version 2107 or newer with the tenant attached enabled. To determine how many of your enrolled devices meet the minimum system requirements for Windows 11, you can select Windows to open the flyout on the overview page in work from anywhere. So I'll share all the screens with you. It would be more of uh, on your dashboard. If you look at on the left hand side, Microsoft Intune Admin Center. If you go into the Admin Center, you will start finding those details. And you click on work from anywhere, and a chart will display which specific applications. Hello, am I audible?
Yes, we can hear you.
Oh, I thought I have been disconnected. Sorry.
Nope, you're good.
All right, all right. Sorry, guys. Sorry for the confusion. Certainly something happened. I thought that I have been disconnected. Sorry about that. All right. Yeah. So, is my screen visible now?
Yes.
All right. So, with the yeah, so we were talking about Windows with Intune. Now, what will happen is once you go to work from anywhere, a chart is displayed showing which specific hardware requirements are top blockers in your organizations. So let's see how it looks like when it comes to the slides. So you go to Endpoint Analytics in Intune, and it will give you all the details. This is how it will look like, step-by-step instructions, how you can do it. You can access endpoint analytics, go on the left-hand side, you will see reports. Click on reports, And under reports, you will find endpoint analytics. You click on endpoint analytics. It will on the right hand side, it will give you details on reports, and it will show you all the devices which are already there on your Intune or the centrally managed device center. It will give an analysis uh, how uh, how and what you can see. So once you click on work from anywhere, it will give you all the data. Like for example, here it shows 82, 51. So what does it mean is that 82 devices are ready, and it gives you the score also, how many devices can easily be moved to Windows 11, or how many devices uh, would be non-compatible. And it once you go towards the right-hand side, it will give you Windows 11 readiness status. It shows not capable, unknown, not capable. All the devices which are showing unknown, see that those devices are not reachable, or would say that those devices are lying somewhere unattended, or those have been discarded. So, and but the devices are still reflecting into your Intune. You may go ahead and remove those devices, or you can figure out where those devices are and what you want to do about it, because those devices might not have been captured into this data. So it will give you which devices are capable, which are not capable, which are unknown, and which are upgraded. And upgraded means that all your existing devices which have already been upgraded to Windows 11. So it will give you complete data on all your Windows devices. So the process is simple, as we have done. Once you have the complete analysis, you can upgrade all your hardware, and or whatever the compatible devices are, you can straight away move those devices to Windows 11, and those devices which cannot be upgraded, replace those devices with the newer devices. Now, coming back to the point, how we can help you in your app migration also. Like as we have told that almost 99.7% of applications are compatible between Windows 10 and Windows 11. In case you face compatibility challenges, you have an option to engage Fast Track App Assure. So which means that uh, to help you, these will help you in solving your any of the issues which are pertaining to your devices. So in these cases, what it means is that first you need to have clarity on applications you have in current environment. So how we can do that? How you can move all your applications from Windows 10 to Windows 11. And if you want to still test how those apps can be moved. So first and foremost is you need to have clarity on your own. You If you do not have a place with you, will need to create application inventory either manually or using endpoint management solutions such as Intune. If you have Intune, the things become very easy. You can put all your applications, you can put an inventory. So what does it mean? That you need to how we recommend is you classify the applications example, which applications are critical, which applications are important, which applications are not important. Once you categorize all those applications, then you may consider to test and validate each and every application of Windows 11. And uh, testing manually, now it comes, do we need to do it manually? Because it is going to consume time. Uh, if you have Intune in place with you, therefore it will focus on testing most uh, critical applications first. So you understand which applications your organization cannot run without. So those critical applications can be tested right in the beginning. And if and you can even avail the reporting insights from Windows feature update compatibility risk report, which will help you which is available very much in Intune, and that provides summary and view of the compatible risks across your organization associated with an upgrade or update to a chosen version of Windows. So you will have clarity while running those apps, critical apps, important apps, or non-important apps. Accordingly, you can test apps one by one. For your critical apps can go first, and then your important, and then your non-important apps. And in the meantime, if you face any of the issues, you can just raise a ticket, engage with Fast Track App Assure service, and they can help you in achieving that application capability challenge. And we would ensure that you are helped, you are attended to, you are taken care, and your all apps which are still on Windows 10 can move to Windows 11. So let's talk a little bit about, your App Assure provides remote assistance to the customers, deploying Windows 10, 11, Microsoft 365, Microsoft Cloud PC, Azure VD, and Microsoft Edge, and subsequent features, and who experience valid compatibility issues. So anything which are there, which are right at the bottom of the screen, which you see, all these applications or all these are addressed by App Assure. And if any of the issues comes up, do raise your concern. So where who do all we remedy? We remedy uh, your developed line of business applications, independent software vendor, all ISVs are taken care of applications, and then Microsoft first party products are also taken care with our fast app. And then Remedian assistance is also given on Microsoft products, like, for example, Windows 10 to 11, including ARM64 devices. Then Microsoft 365 apps, Microsoft Edge, Azure Virtual Desktop, and Windows 365 Cloud PC. So all those are which are out of scope, app inventory and testing to determine what does and doesn't work on Windows and Microsoft 365 apps. We would not be able to help you there. Researching third-party ISV apps for Windows compatibility and support statements, and app packaging only services. However, the App Assure team packages Windows app that were remedied to ensure they can be deployed in the customer's environment. Uh, although Android apps on Windows 11 are available to Windows insiders, App Assure doesn't currently support Android apps or devices, including Surface Duo devices. So these are, few of the catches which I wanted to highlight on. Uh, so what do we do now? We can deploy all the devices seamlessly, and how we can do it. We can, even if the devices are centrally managed, then it becomes quite easy. For non-centrally managed devices, if your current device meets Windows 11 hardware requirements, you can deploy the upgrade through Windows Update. And how you can do it? And if your device does not meet it, uh, so we recommend you to replace it with Windows 11 Pro PC. For certain managed endpoints, you will have to multitude of options depending on how Windows deployment and updates are being currently managed. So using Intune for deployment upgrades to eligible devices and autopilot deployment with new Windows 11 PCs. So how you can update is you can update your for Windows Server update service or deploying upgrades to eligible devices. Even System Center configurations like SCCM, you can even utilize that for upgrading your devices from Windows 10 to Windows 11. So we see that we have multiple ways of upgrading your devices. Any of the centralized managed device system can help you, and even non-centrally managed devices, it would be a little cumbersome, but you still can do it. And if it is not a bigger of an organization's, non-centrally managed even can help you. Uh, so, uh, so all your deployments would be accelerated if you are using Microsoft Entra ID and Microsoft Intune. That will seamlessly like zero touch and all your devices. You can just push all the updates and all your Windows 10 devices would be moved to Windows 11. So let's get started now. And this is I'll take a few more minutes and then we'll go to the questions and answers. And for next steps, what you do is uh, identify your devices, run through the device readiness assessment to identify which devices are eligible for upgrades and which devices will need to be refreshed. And then validate applications readiness for most critical applications. Run them through. Remember, 99.7% of the applications are compatible with Windows 11. And in case you face any challenges, engage fast track app assure team to help you solve these problems. And then upgrade eligible devices from Windows 10 to Windows 11, procure and deploy new Windows 11 devices or Copilot Plus PCs and replace your uh, non-eligible devices and upgrade them. So this is, I hope this has given you quite an insight how you can avail it, both in terms of uh, non-centrally managed devices or centrally managed devices. All tools can help it, and almost all your apps shall be able to move to. And in case those are not, you just raise a ticket with App Assure, and we would be more than happy to help you out there. Uh, this is our survey. Please do